I've got here the Dom Plura. Get a load of that keyway. Looks pretty nasty, but it's not that bad. You can fit a pick right from the bottom all the way up, as long as it's thin enough. A lot of people don't like this lock. It took me a while to figure it out, but it's not so bad now. It's got 6 pins. I think it's got 2 spools, the rest are barrels. Doesn't give a huge amount of feedback till you get to the spools, and sometimes I don't even have to worry about the spools. Just by picking the binders, you end up presetting the spools a little bit, and then it opens. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, not much feedback at all. It's very tapered. Get tiny little clicks and core rotation. Find it does respect reasonably heavy tension. Just got to be careful not to overset anything. This particular lock's got quite a high lift on one, which caused me a lot of troubles until I figured out how high I needed to push it to set pin 1. Another click on one then. And there we go. Yeah, so I didn't have to deal with spools that particular time, which honestly is disappointing because the spools in this are pretty fun. You get a deep falset and then boom, spool time. Okay. All the key pin, well, actually, no, I was just going to say they're all standard. That's not true. They're torpedoes, which is pretty cool. It's the first lock I think I've ever picked that has, like, commercial lock that has torpedo key pins, which is pretty interesting. I mangled it a little bit, so it doesn't like to come out now. Springs are also magnetic, which now that my tweezers are slightly magnetized, it's kind of annoying. Less annoying if you drop them and you need to use a magnet to try and find them, but different situations, yeah. Oops. Oh, get off. Really need to demagnetize these tweezers. Alright, there you go. That's the Dom Plura. Much feared, but pretty fun once you get the hang of it.